2014 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it, still got factory converters there and there. Then somebody else did this, true dual, tried to do a true dual, but I guess put a Y pipe right there and true dualed it after that, all the way back. And then what we did is put two 5-inch black tips, chrome tips on it, on each side, because we couldn't touch the front, as you guys can see. So it's got 5-inch angle cut tips. Gonna let you guys hear it, hope you guys like it. And he said rev it, so we're gonna rev it. Rev it hard. Not bad. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. 112. If you guys want to follow his build, that's his Instagram right there, guys. Again. Again, louder. I like it. Man, that's loud. You can hear it in your ears. You're like, the wax in your ears shakes. Got a nice leveling kit on it. None of that squat stuff. Sounds nice. I like the sign locally hated. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado, wide pipe, straight pipe, 5-inch tips, duals.